Hi, Philip here from O'Donovan Engineering. We're just out looking at a retrofit calf shed we did. So this is built in an old silage pit. It is 5 bays long, as you can see the columns at the back. We fit it with a roller door in the front. So the whole calf shed is designed with a wet area at the front, dry area at the back. All the gates lock forward, so you can lock all the calves forward. Open the roller door, one straight run for cleaning out, rebed it, open all the gates back, leave all the calves back into the bedding. On the front, he has clip-on troughs for meal feeding. They're also fully sealed, so you could feed milk in them if you wanted. And we have hay racks and the individual drinkers for each pen, so you can drink from the dry area or the wet area. So the LAC 5's serving that purpose. So this job was designed by Charles Keneally in conjunction with the farmer. So Charles does a site visit, talks to the farmer, sees what his requirements are, looks at the shed or the building that it's going into. So in this case, the silage, an old silage pit. So with the old silage pit, he had to make extended hangers at the back wall because the slope in the wall means that the top hanger and the bottom hanger won't match. So he did extended hangers on the top to match in with the bottom hanger, so the gates will sit level. With this shed as well, the way it was working out, he needed to make the back gate for the pen slightly longer. So what we have is 2 interlocking gates in the back, so the front gate can come forward and latch into the drinker frame to be able to lock all the calves forward. And then you have the little hinge gate that locks back to the wall. So simple things, but working with us, talking to us early, showing us the building makes all the difference to the finish of the job. So thank you for watching. We'll see you again.